Today I am going to cook one of my favorite recipes. This is a very simple dish prepared using soya bean chunks and very few readily available ingredients. This has high protein content and it can easily replace non-vegetarian meals. Let's get started. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. We upload simple and delicious cooking videos daily. Add 2 cups of water to a frying pan. Wait until the water starts boiling. Now I am adding 200 grams soya bean chunks. Let it boil at medium flame for 5 minutes. Now separate the soya chunks from water and keep them aside. Take an earthen pot and add 3 teaspoons of cooking oil. You can also use a frying pan. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait until they are roasted. Add chopped onions and fry at a medium flame for 3 minutes. Stir fry occasionally. Now add chopped green chilies. Add chopped tomatoes and fry at medium flame for 2 minutes. Add a handful of curry leaves. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix everything well. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds powder. Add half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Add 1 teaspoon garam masala. Garam masala is an Indian version of ground mixed spices powder. Add a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add a teaspoon kasuri methi leaves. Dried fenugreek leaves are called as kasuri methi in India. Add a tablespoon of salt. The quantity of salt can be varied according to your liking and preference. Now mix everything well under medium flame. Add a glass of water. Add chopped coriander leaves and mix everything well. Now add soya chunks into the earthen pot. Add a little bit of chopped coriander leaves and stir fry under medium flame. Now close the lid and cook at medium flame for 5 more minutes. Healthy and delicious masala soya is ready to be served. You can relish this as a standalone snack or you can relish it with chapati, roti or any other dry dish. In both cases, it tastes yummy. Thanks for watching the video. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest to get regular updates.